Maybe it jingles around your pocket or gets lost in the couch cushions. But what if you could turn those stray pennies and dimes into something that grows over time? That's the magic of micro-investing apps like Raiz, and if you're new to investing, it might be the perfect place to start. So, how exactly does Raiz work? Let's break it down and get you comfortable with the idea of growing your money, bit by bit. Meet Raiz, your pocket-sized investment pal. Imagine this: you buy a coffee for $3.50 with your debit card. Raiz, cleverly connected to your account, sees that purchase and rounds it up to the nearest dollar. Those extra 50 cents become a tiny investment, tucked away for your future. This is the core of Raiz Roundups feature, a sneaky way to save without even noticing. But Roundups are just one trick up Raiz's sleeve. You can also set up recurring investments, like putting away $10 every week. Think of it as a virtual piggy bank, automatically filled with your spare cash. And if you've got a bigger chunk of change burning a hole in your pocket, you can always make lump sum deposits into your Raiz account. Investing 101, where does your money go? Alright, so you're putting money into Raiz, but where does it go from there? Raiz uses your deposits to buy things called exchange-traded funds, or ETFs for short. Think of an ETF like a basket filled with different company stocks. By buying a single ETF, you're basically investing in a bunch of companies at once, spreading your risk and potentially boosting your returns. Raiz offers a variety of pre-made portfolios, each with a different risk tolerance. A conservative portfolio might hold mostly ETFs that invest in established companies, aiming for steady, lower growth. An aggressive portfolio, on the other hand, might focus on younger, faster-growing companies, with the potential for higher returns, but also a higher chance of losing money in the short term. Building wealth, patience is key. The important thing to remember with Raiz, or any investment for that matter, is that it's a marathon, not a sprint. Don't expect to get rich overnight. The power of Raiz lies in its ability to help you build wealth gradually, over time. By consistently investing small amounts, you take advantage of something called compound interest. Basically, your money earns interest, and then that interest itself starts to earn interest, creating a snowball effect that grows your wealth faster over time. Raiz, is it right for you? Raiz is a fantastic option for beginners because it's so user-friendly and requires minimal effort. Plus, the low minimum investment amount of $5 makes it accessible to almost anyone. However, it's important to remember that Raiz isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. There are always risks involved with investing, and the stock market can be unpredictable. Do your research before you dive in. Before you jump in, take some time to understand your own financial situation and risk tolerance. Raiz provides plenty of educational resources within their app, but doing your own research is crucial. There are also fees associated with using Raiz, so make sure you understand those before you invest. Investing made simple: start small, grow big. Raiz is a great way to dip your toes into the world of investing. With its user-friendly approach and focus on micro-investing, it can help you build a habit of saving and potentially grow your wealth over the long term. Remember, consistency is key. Every little bit you invest adds up, and Raiz is there to help you turn your spare change into something much bigger. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.